Are you worried about your retirement? Or maybe you know someone who is. It's a reality many retirees are facing right now. The number one reason why retirements fail is a failure to protect what you've worked so hard to build. The volatility of the economy, rising inflation, and financial instability are hitting hard, especially when it comes to retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks. Let me tell you about John, a retiree from Ohio who thought he had everything figured out. John worked hard all his life as a senior manager at a manufacturing company, putting away over $500,000 in his 401k to ensure a peaceful retirement. He thought he was safe. Until one day, the market started to crash. Inflation was soaring, and his 401k was losing value at an alarming rate. Sound familiar? The reality is, many retirees like John are seeing the value of their hard-earned savings dwindle. Even the safest investments don't feel safe anymore. But here's the thing, John didn't just sit there and hope for things to get better. He took action. He did what many retirees don't know they can do. He moved part of his retirement savings into a gold IRA. And let me tell you, he's never felt more secure. Gold IRAs provide a hedge against the kind of financial instability we're seeing today. They offer protection from market volatility and inflation. Gold has stood the test of time as a store of value, and when you roll over part of your retirement savings into a gold IRA, you're protecting your nest egg. Now you might be wondering, is a gold IRA right for me? That's a great question, and it's exactly why I'm offering a free guide and a no-obligation consultation call to retirees like you with at least $100,000 in an IRA or 401k. This call isn't about hard sales tactics or gimmicks. No free silver giveaways, no pressure. It's about education. We'll help you understand how a gold IRA can fit into your retirement strategy. Take it from John. He's sleeping a lot easier knowing his savings are in a gold IRA. Imagine what that peace of mind could feel like for you. Remember, you've worked too hard to let your retirement slip away. Let's make sure it's protected so you can leave a legacy for your loved ones. Get your free guide and consultation today. There's no commitment, just valuable, straightforward information to help you make the best decision for your future.